This is Saucy Arts Creations, and today I'm trying something new in my studio. I received this Mastercraft Picture Hanging Set from Canadian Tire and Butterly to try out my creative space. Thank you to Butterly and Canadian Tire for this opportunity. This set includes pencils, sharpener, hammer, level, magnetic stud finder, and all the different hardware. As an artist, once a piece is finished, the next step is making sure it's ready to hang. I like that everything is organized in one place and it makes the process simple and efficient. Depending on the size of your piece, there are sawtooth hangers for the smaller ones, D-rings for more support, and different hardware options depending on the weight of your canvas. Before I attach the hardware, I measure and mark my place to make sure everything is centered and will be secured. This hammer is so cute. Now this 10 by 10 painting is ready to hang on the wall. For artists, DIYers, or anyone hanging artwork at home, this is a practical addition to your toolkit. Find the Mastercraft Picture Hanging Set at Canadian Tire. Thanks again to Butterly and Canadian Tire for this opportunity.